Most people think investing is only for the rich, but it's not true. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start small. That's all. A lot of us are just trying to make our paycheck last. We pay bills, buy food, put gas on the table, and so when we hear invest, we think, man, that's not for me. But it is. We can do this. Even $10, even $25, that's enough to start, because it's not about how much you have. It's about building the habit of investing. Think about it like this. If you leave your money in a normal bank account, it just sits there. Prices go up every year and your money loses value. That's what inflation does. So if you don't make your money work, it gets weaker. So your money sit there and it loses value. Instead of thinking, I don't have enough to invest, start thinking, I will start with what I've got. Because waiting until you have enough, that day may never come. Yes, it never comes. So now let's think about a few easy ways to start. No fancy words, no big risks, nothing. Just simple things that actually work. Let me think. Number one, let's think about a few easy ways to start. No fancy words, no big risks, nothing. Just simple things that actually work. Number one, it's called the high yield savings account, or a CD. It's like a regular bank account, but it gives you more interest back. Okay, your money grows slowly but safely. Okay, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. Number two, they call it index fund, or ETFs. Number three, your retirement account, like your 401k. If your job gives you a 401k, that's good. That's good. Apps now. These apps invest in a few companies at the time, and then they do it for you automatically. You can't even forget about it. Let's say you put away just $25 a week. That's $100 a month. After a few years, that can grow to thousands just by letting the money sit and grow. So this is something to think about. You don't have to be an expert. Okay, I'm not an expert. You just have to start, because doing so costs. Once you do nothing, it costs more. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Start small, stay steady, and let time do the work for you. Okay, that's what you can think of. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's not happening. It's about building peace of mind over time. That's how real wealth starts. Quiet, slow, but steady. Take care.